Hey guys, I'm Corin Storkey from Seleno Health, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite summertime smoothies. This is the Maca berry smoothie. So for this recipe, all we need is some bananas. Now the best way to store your bananas is frozen, so get them, let them mature, ripen, peel them, slice them, put them in the freezer. I've got fresh frozen berries here as well. But another trick, if you don't have frozen berries, we love to use blackcurrant powder. And you can substitute a handful of frozen berries for about a teaspoon of blackcurrant powder as an alternative. So those go into the blender. And we're going to put them straight in there. I'm using coconut milk, unsweetened, but you can use any sort of plant-based milk, oat milk, soy milk, almond milk, they're all good. And you do about a cup of this. So I've got a cup measure on the side there. That's 1 cup. Obviously, the less milk you use, the more rich and creamy it's going to be. Now, some other great little additives to this recipe. We've got some cinnamon powder. So I'm going to use about 1/4 to 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And that's going to just give it that nice little pop and flavor. I've got some coconut yogurt, and I like to use about 1 tablespoon just to give it that really rich, creamy kind of texture and flavor. I've got here some beautiful vanilla extract. So with this one, again, I'm going to use about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And this stuff just gives it a really nice kind of sweet flavor, helps kind of cut through that citrus. Now another little trick, and you don't have to do this, but what I really love to bring in that summertime freshness is this stuff. This is fresh ginger, and I've peeled this. I love ginger. Now it's an acquired taste, so maybe you want to start with a small piece, for example, but I'm going to go in with little 2 cubes, so this is sort of a thumbnail size cube. And for me, that brings in that kind of slight spice. It gives it that real summery feeling. And it just makes it feel more fresh on the palate, particularly in the morning. And then the most important ingredient of all is our maca powder, so I'm going to go with a really big heaped teaspoon. I'm using maca for men, but you can use our maca for women blend or our yellow maca blend. Any of those powders will work fine, and ideally about 1 teaspoon to get your daily dose of maca. So there we go, lid's going on. We're going to give it about 20 to 30 seconds. And this is where the magic happens. Whoa, whoa, wee, wah.
A few moments later.
This is where we give it the love. Our beautiful little maca. Okay, now we're done. There we go, look at that. Amazing for breakfast, especially in summer, it's so refreshing. And to top it off, a little bit of our beautiful crunchy maca nibs. And there we go, there's your maca berry smoothie. Great way to kickstart the day.